Here you go, dear.
Oh, lovely. Thank you.
Well done. Good day's work. Right, you going to show us what you did then?
So we started off with the topper,
Okay.
which is just a load of picks put together and shoved in. Then I did the ribbons. I didn't put enough ribbon on, I'm a bit disappointed.
Well, looks good.
And then I put the flowers on, which I made. I made these.
Okay, show me which ones.
This one.
Okay, how do you make those?
With ribbon. Just with ribbon, cutting it up and everything. This one.
Okay.
This one down here.
And that's just cut up ribbon, bunched together.
Yep.
Okay.
Wired together.
Very clever.
Ah, blue one around there. And then it was just a case of shoving all the baubles on.
Well, it wasn't a case of that, was it?
Well,
It was more organised than that.
a little bit more organised than that.
And the lights as well. I mean, we tried to go up and down. Whose suggestion was that?
Somebody from YouTube.
did it work?
Not for us, no. It does for her,
Was,
but it didn't work for us.
did we wrap them round the tree like we always do?
Yeah.
And did we get dizzy?
Yeah, very. My reindeer's falling off.
Oh, you'll be dizzy after you've had that Prosecco.
Too right. And then there's some baubles that I made as well.
Okay.
Well, I didn't make the baubles, but I decorated them.
Okay, where are those? Point those out.
So I made us three big ones. These are glass, and all I did was put a stencil, a sticker on, and I put something inside.
Okay.
On mine, the one I did for me, inside here, those pearls were from a bracelet that I bought on one of our cruises, and it broke. And I didn't want to lose the pearls, so I put them in my bauble.
Because they're real pearls, of course.
Of course. And then our son has got one here.
Okay, and Stacey's got one too.
Stacey's got one as well, but hers is one of her Christmas presents because she doesn't live here. And then
Keep that quiet.
Oh yeah, don't tell her. And then there's some that I was trying to marble. Where is it? Oh, it's well hidden.
Okay, so it goes all the way around then.
Here it is. Here's one of them.
God, look at all that. I'd have left the back of the tree empty. Nobody sees that.
So this was just a plain glass ball, and I marbled it,
Okay.
and then I just put a sticker on the front. And there's a few of those, and they're just pushed in.
Okay.
And that was that. And then I added some curly ribbon at the end because I wasn't happy that I hadn't had it enough.
And we've got the Merry Christmas in there as well.
Yeah, we've got a Merry Christmas sign, and I've saved another sign when I do the stairs.
Okay. And the Merry Christmas over there.
Yeah, that needs some candles in it.
And the fireplace.
The fireplace
Which
looks
again, you did
lovely.
yourself.
I did, yeah. None of it's bought, I've done it all myself.
So all the extra baubles are added in.
Yeah, it's just a plain cream garland. And I even added the lights myself.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm quite pleased with it this year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there you've got the Prosecco, which makes you even happier.
Absolutely. Cheers.
Cheers. Next time for Strictly.
Yes. Even better.
Say bye. Say bye to everybody.
Bye bye everybody.
One of those, and unlocking the studio, that's 60 seconds.